Hello everyone, I'm Ayush and I would like to share an interesting information about an important activity took place in the year of 1999, the Melissa bomb attack, which proven to be a wake-up call for the cybersecurity part. When the internet was a very new sensation and understanding of cybersecurity was still in an infancy state, and within this Melissa worm attack, within hours, it infected over a million computers, forcing companies like Microsoft and Intel to shut down their email system temporarily. Uh, it was the world faced one of its first major email-based malware outbreaks. This attack not only caused widespread disruption but also changed how we approach cybersecurity forever. It The Melissa worm was created by a person named David L. Smith. It is a macros virus, a malicious program that can attach itself to a other program and spread name named after the dancer Smith admired. The worm was distributed via email with a subject line "Here is that document you asked for. Don't show anyone else." When unsuspecting victims opened the attachment, the virus embed itself into their systems. The worm had the ability to self-replicate. It access the victim's Microsoft Outlook page, Outlook address books, and then it sent forward. Then it sent itself to top 50 contacts of that person, and that's how it created a domino effect and overwhelmed the email server over the globe. And that's that's how it affected it. It caused an estimated $80 million in damage, and which also caused loss in productivity, and also the cost of removing it include the cost of removing the virus from like sum up to $80 million. And it was one of the instances where the interconnected value of the internet amplifies the effect of the cyber attack. Email server were overwhelmed, business came to halt, and it became evident that the digital world was more vulnerable than anyone had ever experienced before. So uh, it 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 proven to be a learning lesson for the cybersecurity and the internet. It exposed significant gap in cybersecurity practices, which result in several measures were introduced like spam filtering and attachment scanner to detect malicious files while uh, sending and receiving emails. Software developer, particularly Microsoft, updated their program to disable macros by default, as Melissa exploited these particular features to execute its malicious code. It also proven to be a step for giving importance to user education. Organization became training employees to recognize phishing and avoid opening suspicious attachments, and like it is still a biggest vulnerability in cybersecurity user education. The workflow of Melissa worm attack was it first do email distribution. It distribute through email, and when a victim open that document, it get activated, and then it do self replication by automatic email spread. Then it tries to overwhelm the email engine, which is mass email traffic, and overload the system. And then what it does, it start to corrupt the files and productivity loss. It slows down the whole system of person user systems. And but at the end, it proven to be a catalyst for change in cybersecurity. But it drove innovation It made antivirus software became more sophisticated, and real-time scanning, incident response plans to prepare future attack. Like global collaboration in cybersecurity took place. It also reminded the world that technology has evolved, so do the threats we face, and that cybersecurity is shared responsibility, and we should work together in the system. Thank you. This was.